Hello, my name is Daniela Adilene Gutierrez Borrallo. Today, I will present you a video with my activity number 1 from the Unit 2 for the subject Oral and Listening Communication Workshop in English. I hope you enjoy it. Good public speaking skills are key for strong communication. They help you succeed at work and influence others personally. Today, many ideas compete for attention, so it is essential to speak clearly, confidently, and convince your audience. Public speaking is more than talking. The aim for this activity is express in English your thoughts about whether English language proficiency improve the social mobility and economic opportunities of people in Latin America. The sources are Part 3, 10, preparation is 80% of success. And the article, How does English language learning contribute to social mobility of language learners? Based on both articles, I believe that knowing English is a key factor for very social and economic change in Latin America. English is more than just a language, it is a type of status symbol that opens doors in three main areas: school, jobs, and society. The articles show that people who speak English are often seen as more skilled and get more respect. In a region where education and money gaps are large, these facts directly help people find jobs and compete for better salaries. Companies, especially global ones, often ask for English, which gives English speakers a big advantage over others. Examples from other countries like Singapore prove that when a country supports English, its people can enjoy more modern and important job markets. The situation in Latin America is similar. People who learn English can reach global opportunities that they would not get otherwise. Also, the articles confirm that learning English helps not only with job change but also with personal growth, confidence, and respect. In Latin America, English can be a useful tool for many young people to find better ways to grow and their personal and work life. In conclusion, I can say that speaking English has a real and a big impact on social and economic mobility. It is a true way to get a better life, more stability, and respect. For this potential to help everyone in Latin America. Teaching English must become an education goal for all, not a privilege for a few people. Thank you so much. Goodbye.